Top 5 Best Portable Workbench. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench isn't just a work table, it's the Swiss Army knife of DIY setups. Designed with a heavy-duty steel frame and a bamboo top that looks like it belongs in a modern kitchen, this classic workmate can handle up to 550 pounds without flinching. It folds flat in seconds, slides into a trunk, and reappears just as quickly for everything from carpentry to carving a Thanksgiving turkey on the driveway. Its real charm lies in how unreasonably useful it is. Need a clamping table for odd-shaped gear? Done. Instant shooting bench at the range? Yep. Outdoor kitchen counter? Sure. Writing desk and a shooting bench at the range? Yep. Outdoor kitchen counter? Sure. Writing desk in a tiny apartment? That too. Users have used it for everything short of flying it to the moon. Compared to its plastic rivals, this bench doesn't wobble, pinch fingers, or slide around mid-cut. It's heavier, yes, but that's the price of real strength. Assembly isn't fun, some would say it's a pain, but it's once and done. For anyone who builds, fixes, crafts, or just needs a surface that won't quit, this bench punches far above its weight and then folds away like nothing happened. Coming in number 4. TLGREEN Multifunctional Folding Work Table. In number 4. TLGREEN Multifunctional Folding Work Table. The TLGREEN Multifunctional Folding Work Table is the type of tool that tries to be everything, and surprisingly gets most of it right. It's a 7-in-1 chameleon: workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck. That sounds like overkill until the moment someone's changing a ceiling light, hauling boxes, and sanding a board, all in the same afternoon. The aluminum legs and steel frame form a triangle support system that feels stable in every mode, and the height shift between platform and workbench mode is seamless. Setup takes seconds. No tools, no cursing. The added bonus, plug in one end and you get built-in power outlets and USB ports, which feels almost too futuristic for something this rugged. Still, it's not flawless. Some buyers ran into packaging issues, missing bolts, banged up boxes, and customer support that answered like it was on lunch break. Also, one area on the plastic top lacks reinforcement, a minor letdown in an otherwise solid design. But for anyone with cramped space and big projects, this table earns its keep. It's not just multifunctional, it's the co-worker who shows up early, stays late, and never complains. Coming in number 3. Pony Portable Folding Work Table. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table punches above its weight, both literally and figuratively. While it leans on plastic in its build, don't let that fool you. Once unfolded, it transforms into a rock-solid work surface that holds up to 500 pounds in table mode and doubles as a 1,000-pound capable sawhorse. The aluminum frame gives it backbone, while the 6-step height adjustment makes it feel built for both tall tasks and fine detail work. Setup is nearly foolproof, and once opened, the side wings lock in with satisfying precision, creating a wide, flat surface. The included clamps and bench dogs offer serious grip flexibility, making this a clamp lover's dream. Most notably, it folds down small enough to store in even the tightest basement corner. Grip flexibility, making this a clamp lover's dream. Most notably, it folds down small enough to store in even the tightest basement corner, but still manages to feel like a full-sized bench in use. Weight-wise, it's not light, but that's a compliment here. It feels like a real tool, not a toy. Users have wheeled it around, modified it, used it for everything from gluing teak shelves to tuning snowblowers. It's more than just portable. It's practical, strong, and adaptable. A bench that doesn't just show up, but stays useful long after the project is done. Coming in number 2. Keter Folding Work Table. The Keter Folding Work Table is proof that not all heavy-duty workbenches have to feel like dragging a tree stump around. It sets up in seconds, literally, thanks to a slick folding design where the legs snap out and tuck back into the top like a magician's trick. Once open, it's surprisingly solid. Rated to hold up to 1,000 pounds, it has no problem bearing the weight of tools, lumber, or even a full-grown adult using it as a makeshift ladder. Not recommended, but apparently doable. The included 12 inches clamps mount vertically or horizontally, making it a versatile partner for saws, sanding, staining, or holding whatever chaos a project demands. The weatherproof polypropylene build shrugs off rain and sun without warping or rust, and the aluminum legs keep things light but grounded. Some users wish it had more surface area or a built-in tray for screws and drinks, but those are luxuries, not deal breakers. Folded, it's just over 4 inches thick, and each wish it had more surface area or a built-in tray for screws and drinks. But those are luxuries, not deal breakers. Folded, it's just over 4 inches thick and easy to carry. Whether it lives in a wood shop, truck bed, or rainy job site, this table shows up, holds firm, and disappears just as fast. A true workhorse with zero drama. Coming in number 1, Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. The Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse proves that utility doesn't need to be bolted to the ground. Lightweight enough to carry under one arm, yet sturdy enough to support 1,000 pounds in Sawhorse mode, it turns cramped garages and crowded patios into instant work zones. With a surface of 31 by 25 inches, the Pegasus feels surprisingly spacious, offering quick clamps and clamp dogs that actually work, even for vertical or oddly shaped cuts. Whether sanding deck boards or assembling furniture, it holds firm. Setup is frictionless. Flip, lock, go. Cleanup? Just sweep or vacuum, no fuss. The real magic is in its flexibility. 1 minute it's a portable workbench, the next it's a saw-ready sawhorse. And if one table isn't enough, link 2 together and suddenly there's room for 16-foot cedar planks or outfeed for a table saw. Everything feels thoughtfully built, from integrated measuring guides to recessed trays for screws and blades. It's not a replacement for a full-size shop bench, but it doesn't try to be. It's the solution for makers with limited space, mobile workers, or anyone just looking for smart, simple support that shows up when needed and folds away just as easily.